everyone, it is Kristen. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you are here. This video is going to be super fun. On my channel, I love to share all things craft and DIY, so that includes things like polymer clay tutorials, sewing, crochet, sublimation, like t-shirt making, all kinds of fun stuff here on the channel. So if you are interested in those things, definitely give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any of the videos that I upload. I'm so excited for today's video, a polymer clay supplies unboxing. In a recent polymer clay tutorial, I was using these cutters. The owner of the shop of the cutters that I was using, it's Maverly Designs is the name of it. She actually reached out to me on Facebook and said, I noticed you were using the cutters. I'd love to give you a credit to my shop so you can pick out some new supplies. So I was super excited. She did not ask me to make this video, but it was so much fun going on her website and seeing all that she has to offer. She has so many cutters and transfer sheets and texture rollers and mats and little like findings and things, whether that be like, you know, like gold hoops like the one that I'm wearing, or ones with like crystals, and so many cool things for polymer clay jewelry making. It was seriously like the highlight of my week, going on her website and looking at all the stuff that she had to offer. So after I saw that, I was like, I for sure need to share her shop with you guys and then show you what I got, because I'm so excited to use them in some tutorials and things coming up. So go check her out, Maverly Designs. She's doing a fantastic job. Like I said, she has so much to offer. It's just amazing. So it all came in this cute little box. Isn't this so cute? She has this nice little card in here that she sends out to her customers. And the first thing, I believe I already opened this. Yes, these are the transfer sheets. So I've actually never done these and never seen them in person. This has been like such a huge thing recently in polymer clay. So I was so excited to get some and try it. I got some different florals. That just seems to be what I'm drawn to in general. So aren't these so pretty? Oh my goodness. Like watercolor looking ones. Here's some darker tones. Let's see, I got this lighter one that reminded me of like so much of like spring and summer, and then this one, which I really love too. Will it focus? There we go. Isn't that pretty? So many pretty ones. This one looks like watercolor. Cover my face and it'll focus. So fun. So excited to try these, and for sure we'll have a tutorial coming out. I actually have someone who's supposed to be making a tutorial for these, who like knows so much about them. She's gonna be able to share with you exactly how to do it and all that fun stuff. So that'll be coming out soon. So the first thing here that I see, here's a little texture mat. I'm gonna try to get it to show you. I'll pull it out of the packaging. It is the super pretty floral print. It's like a rubbery kind of stamp. Let's see if it'll focus. Isn't that pretty? So nice. So excited for that. All right, here's some more cutters. And then I've been seeing people make the like different like beachy seashell kind of earrings, and I was needing a sand kind of like texture roller thing, so I got I think there was a larger one that made like bigger indents, and I think this is the smaller of the two. And then I got some different cutters. This one is like a scalloped cutter. Let's see if I can get it to focus. And it actually is, you cut like, you know, one strip and then you roll it up and it makes little flowers. So I thought that would be a super fun way to make florals that are maybe just like a little bit easier. And then I'm trying to remember, I feel like this went together in some way. I'll have to look on her website. I feel like these were like, I could be wrong, but I feel like this was a set of some kind. But anyway, this, and then this piece. Let's see, here's some more cutters. Yes, I was so excited. Specifically, like I mentioned, the beachy themed ones. So I got this little sand dollar And then I'll use like a creamy colored clay and then use that little sand texture roller over the top. I think that'll be really pretty. I loved the look of this flower. It's got some really pretty details that I don't see on most cutters, and there was a really pretty shape to the petals that I loved. And then these are some like leaves. There's 2 leaves, like mirror cutters. And then this is a like micro cutter with multiple leaves on it, or petals, whatever you want to do if you're making like a slab. I just thought that would be really helpful to have. Like I said, we're making floral slabs and things like that. And then this is a little round cutter that goes with this bead maker. So I'll show you the front of this. And then this is the bead that it makes. So you put the clay in there and then you rub it back and forth like that. I won't do that too much because it's kind of loud. Well, loud on camera probably, not too loud in person. And then it makes a little bead that you can put like an eye pin in and put it on your earrings or whatever jewelry you're making. And then here's another one. This is a larger bead though. So it comes, I didn't realize it came with a little circle cutter. That's very helpful so you can get the right amount of clay. So little circle cutter, again, like this. And then this is the shape. You rub it back and forth. It has these little like grooves to keep it there. And then a little polymer clay bead comes out. Super cool. All right. And then I got some other micro cutters. I've been loving making floral slabs recently and just kind of playing around with flower making. And so I got some of these that I thought would be helpful for leaves or petals and that kind of a thing. So they have a nice shape to them. They're not too small, so they're easy to put in your hands. And then these are a couple of the shapes I got, and then this one. Very excited to use those. Will be fun. All right, we've got some little gold pieces. So for, I think they call them bezel. I don't know, is that the name of it? Now I'm blanking on it. But you basically put your clay down flat and then press this over the top of it, and it kind of fits inside the hoop or whatever shape it is that you have. Is it focusing? And then use an X-Acto knife and kind of cut around it and then attach whatever finding you're going to use on it. So I haven't done that. I have done it on some different shapes, but I haven't used ones like this. I'm excited to try that. And I saw these on her website and I really love them. They are like earring pieces that are wood. So they look like this. And then they have the back, the post already attached. Isn't that neat? I guess I should probably turn it like this actually. So then you just attach whatever it is at the bottom. So I got a whole little pack of those. I just love the wood and I think it would look really pretty with a sand dollar hanging from it maybe. I mean, lots of different things, but I love the wood look. And then I got these little, keeping with my ocean theme, these little starfish gold studs, which I thought were so cute. I'm gonna put a pair of those on as soon as I finish filming this video. And then I just love these dainty little drop pieces. So they're so small. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Little tiny bar, and then it has the post already on it and a little hole to hang whatever earring on it, your little jump ring or whatever, and attach whatever. I just thought it was so delicate and dainty and beautiful. So I was excited to get that and try those as well. So that was everything in my box from Maverly Designs. Don't forget that I have a discount code for you in the description box down below. So if you want to go check out her website, which I highly encourage you to do, go ahead over there and use that discount code to get a percentage off of your order. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments down below, what was your favorite thing that I unboxed today? I would love to know. If you have any videos or things that you would like to see, if you want to see any of these things like in action, let me know. I would love to share a video about that in the coming weeks. Thanks so much for being here. Thanks for watching this video today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.